Feeling ko ano na talaga eh. Not in charge anymore. So, what do you call a person who is happy on a Monday? Sabi nga. Diba? Siyempre retired. Wala nang racing, conferences, kaya yung in-roll out, mga at lahat-lahat na mga sisihan, mga what to do. Pero that's life, being a policeman and a police officer. So, sa ating Brigadier General Sir Vesves, our Lisa, also to our Deputy Director, Sir, my worthy brother, Colonel Roberto Del Nasser, Sir Colonel Jimmy Villafranca, sir, Colonel Alex Dos Santos, of course, Johan Montero, unit commanders, wala rito yung iba, nandito, special staff, other officers, non-commissioned officers, and you be present. Of course, Pastor Bob Palabanan, Pastor Edward Enderos, Brother Joel Nonan, Brother Arnold Tumol of Anchor Baptist Church. Of course, yung aking deputy sa RDD before, Major Ray Magweba. Thank you so much. Ang galing mo. Makarang sa Ray. Major Ray, kahit hindi talaga na makakalimutan natin. Yung RDD officers meron ba? Men and women. Also to my co-retiree, DSNS Ronnie Cortez. My wife, Mrs. Yolanda Holico. My daughter, Sarah Cates. Madugang ko si Rosemar. Mga apo ko, ito yung matinding nagpapatigil ng buhay ko araw-araw. Tara and Lucas. Hello. Of course, my son, Kim Philip, and also my son, Martin Emmanuel. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, and thank you for your presence and taking your precious time with me, with my family. As I stand before you today, my heart is filled with mixed emotions as I bid farewell after a fulfilling career. The journey has been nothing short of incredible, and time has come to express my deepest gratitude. Retirement is a dream destination of everybody, one where we have loads of free time and zero responsibility. In charge no more. Gone are the days of struggling to be on time, to be prepared to execute the assigned task perfectly. Once you retire, what you do with your day is completely up to you. Sana po lahat ng SAP na nandito ngayon at nakakarinig na mga sinasabi kong ito ay makapag-retire ng maayos. Maayos sa lahat ng bagay, lalo na sa pag-isip, sa pangangatawan, sa pamumuhay. Walang maging problema at masasabi niyang kumpleto na siya bilang isang mabuting mamamayan na naging tapat at magiting na naglingkod sa bayan, sapagkat napaglingkuran niya ng maayos ang kanyang sinumpaang tungkulin sa bayan, sa tao, at higit sa lahat sa Diyos. When I entered the PNP service way back May 1, 1991, as non-commissioned police officer 1 at this prestigious and envied unit, our unit, the Special Action Force. I already contemplated on that mind at that very moment that one day I will finish my service with flying colors, courage and dignity. Sino ba naman ang hindi makapag-isip ng color? Aplikante pa lang ako. Sumasargo na yung ulo ko ng kulay pula. Kapapalo ng Kevlar ng mga inaanapis. And that's true. That was true. At pilit na pinapakulit ako. Ganun nagsimula ang journey ko bilang pulis. At tuwing sumasagi sa isip ko, tinatawanan ko na lang. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, salamat. Salamat sa kanila. Salamat sa inyo. Ginawa niyo akong matibay, physically and mentally. Paglabas ko sa SAP, nasa pa ako sa R2 and CRTO dahil may eligibility na ako during that time sa production branch na hinahanga akong opisyal. He was Major Gallardo, a Cavalier. At tinuruan niya akong at that rank ko na PO1. Sinagaan niya akong turuan kasi nasa production branch siya sa sir. Hindi ko na alam kung nasa na siya. Until such time, nag-download na ako sa Northern Police District as SWAT team leader. Ganun pala, pagkagaling ka sa SAP, automatic kahit anong rango mo, team leader ka kaagad. 2001, when I joined the Officer Corps of the PNP Bilateral Entry. Dahil nga sa mahiwagang terrain, nakabiray na ako noon. Nung bumalik-ulit ako sa southern part ng country, I was designated as company commander sa mga brother natin Muslim who joined the PNP through integration sa Parang Maguindanao. SNG or Special Mobile Group ang tawag sa company natin noon. Among the 10 officers na na-assign doon, ako lang binigyan nila ng ganong assignment. And others ay nila sa mga offices, hindi sa combat mission. After the assignment ko doon, I was reassigned back to National Headquarters, specifically at PACER, eventually naging anti-kidnapping group for almost 10 years, where I earned my meritorious promotion, awarded as Best Police Commission of the Year, and awarded as Best Manhunt Officer of the Year, my pride among other awards. To the officers whom I work with sa field na tumatak nung ako ay PNCO pa, the likes of our DSAP, Sir Espes, Sir Mark Espes, na idol sa pag-aalaga ng katawan. Of course, tinyente pa lang, isip ko siyempre kami mga PO1 kami, tumitingin kami ng mga officer na pwede namin emulate someday. Sir, magaling ng ano niya, ng body, mag-alaga. And mabait din siya. Okay? He is also an excellent leader. Kung nandito si Sir, narinig mo niya, thank you Sir. Salamat din sa motor niya kasi discrambler yan si Sir nung araw, yung pangubundok. Nag-aalip ko, hindi niya alam, tinatakas ko. Tapos yung din yung nagbigay sa akin na idea na someday na I will take a riding course at highway patrol. Yung disap din natin sa Sir Naito, Sir Dimas, Major General Dimas. Kahit kailan hindi ako maaaring magkamali sa pangalan niya dahil ako yung taga-type niya sa makinig natin. Imagine pagkakamali ka ng puso doon, another na naman. Diba ganun pa? Wala pang computer desktop nung siya ay chief SWAT namin sa Northern Police District. Na noong mga side, sa Paok din, ay kinuha niya ako as assistant team leader noong PACER days na. Also to our 2nd Battalion Commanders, Sir Vidal Quirón, Sir Paul Batawin, PACER at AKG Directors, Sir Alan Turisima, Sir Apple Segalineris, Sir Renato Dumpan, Sir Robert Pajardo, and again, Sir Rudolf Dimas. Also, my COP lang sa Valenzuela, nagsama kami ng almost 2 years. Si Retired Brigadier General Ronnie Mendoza, he is an Alcantara 19. To these officers, I have so many vivid memories with you. Kung natidinig po ninyo ako ngayon, salamat po sa inyong lahat sa paggabay bilang mga senior officers. Because as I follow you, your words became my words. Your thoughts became my thoughts. Your decision became my decision. You are my mentors, and I was your protege. Sa mga police and commission officers na nakaupo dyan, do not stop seeking for knowledge and self-improvement. Be a better person every day. Huwag kayong mapapagod. Do your best. Do not be afraid of the responsibilities being a future commissioned officers. Kinaya nga ng iba, of course, kakayanin din ninyo. Sap tayo di ba? Awa! 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 And just be a good follower. Again, thank you so much for your time, hearing my story. Pagpalain po tayong lahat ng buong